What if I told you you can create cinematic AI videos for free? Today, I'll show you 2 free AI video generators. Let's see which one gives the best results. First, open Google Chrome and search for Hailuo AI. Open the official Hailuo AI website. I've already signed in, so let's jump straight into creating our first AI video. Import the image. Now paste the prompt. I'll use the exact same image and prompt in both AI tools to keep this test completely fair. Now click on Create. In just a few seconds, our AI video is ready. Click on Download. Let's watch the result. The motion looks smooth, the lighting is impressive, and the overall quality is amazing for a free AI tool. Now, let's test our second AI video generator. Open Google Chrome and search for PixVerse AI. Open the official PixVerse AI website. Sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, import the same image. Paste the exact same prompt. Now, click on Create. Within a few seconds, our second AI video is ready. Click on Download. Now, let's watch the final result. Both AI tools created impressive videos using the same image and the same prompt. The best part, both offer free credits so you can try them yourself. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI video generator did you like more? Hailuo AI or PixVerse AI? Comment your favorite below. See you in the next AI Masterclass.